Are you doing everything you can to make your university inclusive of everyone? Let's take a quick look at how you can make experiences across your entire uni more accessible and how Verbit can help. Caption your website videos and admissions events to make them more accessible to students and their families. You can even make your admissions process inclusive to international students or non-native speakers with accurate subtitles and translations. Live caption your lectures to engage all in-person and remote students. Live transcription can also be provided to help those with learning disabilities and others who need assistance with note-taking. After class, continue to help your students as they watch and listen to recorded content and your library archives. Verbit searchable captions and transcripts helps them study more efficiently. Plus, audio description can help your students who are blind or have low vision. Include all students in your events and games by live captioning them. Both students and their families benefit from subtitling live events. Make sure your ceremonies are accessible to all, so that everyone can feel included in the experience. Verbit can do it all. From admissions through to graduation, we've got you covered.